Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's fish marinated with some veggies, onions and mushrooms. It's super easy to make, delicious, and I hope you enjoy it. And subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll need to cut the fish into slices. We'll need to cut 200 grams of mushrooms and wash them. Also cut 3 medium-sized onions into half rings. Let's put the half-chopped onions into a pan and add the pieces of fish. Then add the mushrooms on top and on top the onions. Let's prepare the marinade. Let's pour 3 tablespoons of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar and 750 milliliters of water, some pepper, laurel leaves, and some vegetable oil, and also 100 grams of vinegar. Let's boil it, and when it starts to boil, let's add it into the veggies and fish. And now let's cook it for about 3 minutes after boiling, and then let it sit until it cools down, and then 10 or 12 hours into the fridge. When it's all done, let's prepare it and place it on the dish. The fish, the onions, the mushrooms, and let's also cut some lemons to place them between the pieces of fish. Let's add some dill on top and it's ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.